Welcome to Editing Freebies. In this video, I'll guide you through the simple steps to contribute your own resources to our website. Let's get started. Step 1. Search for editingfreebies.com/contribute. Before anything else, scroll through and read the contribution guidelines carefully. Step 2. Gather your resource files. This could be transitions, sound effects, overlays, meme templates. Now compress everything into a single zip file. Step 3. Upload to Google Drive or Dropbox. Set the file to anyone with the link can view or download. Otherwise, we won't be able to access it. Step 4. Fill out the contribution form. Your name or alias, a working email address. Choose the correct resource type. Optional, add a viewing link like a YouTube demo. Add your download link from Drive or Dropbox. You can also add your social media links or a support link like PayPal, Ko-Fi, or Buy Me a Coffee. Make sure to check all the 3 permission boxes. Once everything's filled in, click on Submit Permission Form, and you're done. We'll review your resource and publish it soon on the website. Thank you for supporting the community by contributing your awesome work. Together, we're building the best free hub for creators around the world.